To use Venmo to buy Bitcoin, you will need to have a Venmo account and be at least 18 years old. First, download and install the Venmo app on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Open the app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select the option that says Crypto. This will take you to the cryptocurrency section of the app where you can view the available cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Before you can buy Bitcoin, you will need to verify your identity. To do this, tap the Get Started button and follow the prompts to provide the required information. This may include your name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the cryptocurrency service. After verifying your identity, you can start the process of buying Bitcoin. To do this, tap the Buy button next to the Bitcoin option. Enter the amount of money you want to spend on Bitcoin, and review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees. If everything looks correct, tap the Buy Now button to complete the transaction. The funds will be deducted from your Venmo balance, and the Bitcoin will be added to your account. You can view your Bitcoin balance by navigating to the crypto section of the app. Keep in mind that there may be limits on the amount of Bitcoin you can buy, and there may be fees associated with the transaction. It is also important to note that the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, so it is essential to do your research and understand the risks before investing. Additionally, make sure to keep your Venmo account and cryptocurrency transactions secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can use Venmo to buy Bitcoin easily and securely. Remember to always do your research and understand the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency.